Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Open World. What I've got for you now is one of these cheap chicken curries which you can get from the supermarkets. This is Morrisons chicken curry, tender chicken in a mild and sweet curry sauce with a serving of rice. 8.5 minutes in a microwave. Mild, so it's a mild, as you can see there, a mild one. There's that. Cooking times. What's up? Right. Just 1 second and we'll give it a taste test here on my channel, James Higgins Open World. 1 second. Right, I mean, for a cheap curry like that, for about £1, some of them are 69p. I've lost the receipt, but they're not dear, they're about £1 tops. And that's what you get when it's cooked. Right, so let's give it a taste test here on my channel. Well, there's a piece of the chicken. It's quite a big piece, isn't it? So, what's the rice like? Rice? One second. Well, to be honest with you, with this one, the chicken's a bit rubbery, but it's okay. But a bit of a letdown, really. Good manage, good. I like these cheap curries, they're quite good. I've got a lot to say for them, really. But that, I'll just try and mix it all up with the rice, because that usually helps as well. Gives it the rice with curry on as well, so I'll give it a good stirring around. Right, as you can see, I've given it a good stir. So let's taste it. Let's taste the rice with the curry on now. Well, it's a bit of a letdown with the chicken, to be honest with you. It's probably the worst one I've had, but even though the chicken's a bit rubbery, I would still give it a 3 out of 10, to be honest with you, for that. Morrisons chicken curry. It's mild, tender chicken in a mild and sweet curry sauce with a serving of rice. So yeah, I still eat it and I still buy it, but it's only a 3 out of 10 on this channel, James Higgins Open World. So see you on the next one.